My name is James Hegarty. We're a farmer just outside Mullingar. We started in February of this year and we're milking 45 cows. We're using the AB system at the minute and hopefully go ABC next year. There's 50 acres in the block. So yeah, it's a tight block now. It's only 50 acres in it. No, so far it's so good. Like I was weary at the start now that the cows wouldn't come in, but yeah, no, the cows went well this year and we're only on AB, so hopefully next year it'll be even better with the ABC. You get into it fairly quick. I suppose with the smaller numbers it's a bit more forgiving, I suppose. So, but yeah, no, there was no hassle with the grazing at all. I was adamant on the parlour. We got the plans and all true enough for the bloody parlour. So yeah. But it was the cost. Geez, the costs were huge. I was shocked with the building part of it. I thought I'd have a shed up for 30,000 and sure it was coming into 70 or 80,000. So. And then the parlour itself, I suppose was maybe bells and whistles in it, but that was coming in at 70. We started October 2019, and we had it finished, I suppose, by the 1st of December, and just got too close to Christmas then. The robot arrived just before Christmas, but it was too close for installing. Well, we put the grazeway on the tank, so that was only a week's work, and then we built the dairy, which had to be done anyway, so, and then we just put the robot room in as well. So we had very little building to do. We put it into an existing shed, yeah, beside the cubicles. So we had the cubicles there already, so it just sit nicely in the end of the shed. So we'd done the roads the previous year and we were ready to roll then. So everything outside is finished, as good as. We've about 5 acres left to reseed, but everything else was reseeded before we started. 45. Just didn't want to max it out the first year with the robot. We had 50 calves bought, so instead of buying more, we just said we'd run and see how it went. So it went well, so we said we'd expand on then. So we've 18 for next year now, so that'll bring us up maybe to 62, 63, depending on scanning and stuff. But yeah, we should be at the 62 mark anyway. Some of the cows, a week was the worst of them, and then some of them never seen the robot before, walked into it, milked, and that was it. So, yeah, and Philip was saying about the grazeway might have been trickier, but they went through the grazeway the first day and they never looked back since. The heating was great on it. I never looked at the cows at all. I just went totally off the robot, and we scanned here 2 months ago now, and there was 45 scanned, 41 of them were in calf, and the other 4 they were probably in calf, but just weren't long enough in. So I thought the heat protection was great too.